Okay, today we have 4 guitars for sale. First one from left to right. It's a 4-string tuned like classic Spanish guitar. Second one, same tuning, also 4-string, same shape. Sound is a little higher. I will play later all of them to give you example how it sounds. A third 2-string fretless cigar box guitar called Mongol. It's very special tuning, very special sound. And last one, Dangerous Death. It's classic DGBe fretless cigar box guitar with piezo pickup, so it could be plugged in amplifier, and you can add some effects and get completely crazy trippy sound. Now I will show how they sound, all of them. So first Andalus. Thunderstorm. Mongol. And Dangerous Death.